us anywhere, does it? No. Let's begin to write. One of the things to do for us now is to begin the process of how can we make the revolution work? How can we make the revolution work? The sole engine in revolutions that make it work is one word: organization. Yes. Organization. That is the foundation of every revolution. I would like to suggest that if we are ready to do the freedom stretch, to blaze the trail to our own freedom, then we must begin the organization immediately we are leaving this hall, and immediately the people down in ground 0 and ground 1 are taking this message so that we can rekindle their hope, so that we can keep them strong, so that we can keep them running, so that we can keep them standing up in our homeland. That is how it is done. And if we do that organization, then we should then change the tactics. Instead of saying, the department of this has now decided that this is what's going to happen here, it is going to be a message home. What do we do about the refugees? They give you a report. What do we do about the displaced? They give one. What do we do about X? And then we do what? You begin. That is the process. Now, I have a proposal to make. In most revolutions that have succeeded in most countries, organization has been key. One of the best examples is what we should be able to follow. When you organize from the level of the grassroots, you give the revolution back to the people rather than to a superstructure that presumes it can guide people to get somewhere. Because revolutions are 1, about the people, 2, about the people, and 3, about the people. It is never about leaders. Leaders come and go. The one thing that remains for any nation is what? The people. The people. So I would suggest that from ground 0 to the diaspora, we begin the process of organizing the revolution. How do you do it? Village by village, back home in the homeland, set up your revolutionary committees. Village by village, set up your revolutionary committees. And I will say, set them up. My heroes in the homeland, set them up the best way we know. Sometimes we write the names of members of meetings with our eyes. You don't need a record because the enemy is talking. And the person you sit with and write them could actually use it to make his wealth over your dead body. So we will take care of that. Now,
you people have done a great job, following up on these events and on this our struggle for freedom. I have a very, very important message for the people back in the homeland. I want to let them know that we are in the process of looking and fighting for our liberation. And it is very, very important they know this. The first people I want to address are those who are lying broken in hospitals by the violent military of the Republic of Cameroon. And I would like to tell them that we share their pain. The next set of people would be those who are in captivity, those who are in jail. We have a large group of, our leaders held in jail. Some were pulled out of Nigeria overnight and held there incognito. I just want to reassure them that the struggle is on. We are pushing on for their freedom, and if there is anything we can do, they can be sure. I can guarantee you they are helping break down a country, and it is not any of their preoccupations. If it were, as I told you from the onset, the president of this republic should have been in Boya in Bamenda just to say, come in and tell me what is wrong so that we fix it up for the sake of our children. It is not their preoccupation.
Their preoccupation is returning the country to normalcy so that they can keep us in slavery. Remember, I said this from the National Assembly rostrum. This government should remember that the people of this territory are not their slaves. It is suddenly that they are discovering that even those people they consider slaves are beginning to take action that can free them. That is their worry. Their concern is not us. Their concern is how they can return the country to normalcy and keep us where we are. So don't tell me anything about being their preoccupation, in quotes. It is not.
Papa don't tell una say they're gonna step by step. Now, the thing where we need now, me they know. I want quote una something here where it will be una message, but take and go home. I the quote Thomas Jefferson during the American Revolution, and I quote, "When injustice becomes law, resistance becomes a duty." When injustice becomes law, resistance becomes a duty. As you are representatives for parliament, as you are representatives, we stand the talk in the name of the people of West Cameroon. We tell una say the law for Cameroon, it don't be an injustice for the people of West Cameroon. We have a right to resist until such a time that our people can be free.